Welcome students. In the WhatsApp group I was sent a page which is named as table of contents like this. Okay, now there is a query or there are some students asking me what we have to do here, what we have to do on this page. Look, this is a page from your activity book and this is called as index page or table of contents. Okay, now what you have to write in this book, in this page, there are two pages. First is table of contents, that is index page, and here is a summary of all the activities you will be done in the future. Okay, and now the activities are already started from this lesson. Now in this lesson you have to do some activities and you have to write them in the activity book. So how to prepare your activity book? You have to use two pages like this. First is a table of contents, that is the index page also. Okay, and second page is your experiment page, that is activity page. In the activity page you have to write down all the information about the activity. There are some points. The first is name of experiment, second is materials required, third is procedure, fourth is the figure, fifth is the observation, and last is conclusion. With all these points you have to write the step by step all the activity. Okay, now here is a sample for you. Now first, in the table of contents, what you have to write? In the date column you have to write the date on which you will do this activity or you did this activity. Okay, तुम्ही कोणत्या दिवशी कोणत्या तारखेला ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी केलेली आहे किंवा कराल, तर ती तारीख तुम्ही या ठिकाणी लिहिणार आहात. ओके, हियर इन द एक्सपेरिमेंट और सब्जेक्ट कॉलम तुमचा विषय काय आहे ऍक्टिव्हिटीचा, कोणत्या विषयाच्या संदर्भात तुम्ही ऍक्टिव्हिटी करतात. आता हे सगळे ऍक्टिव्हिटी हे सायन्स विषयामध्येच येणार आहेत, पण प्रत्येक ऍक्टिव्हिटीचा एक विषय असतो, एक्सपेरिमेंटचं एक नाव असतं. लाईक फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट इज एअर हॅज मास अँड वेट. तुम्हाला हे प्रूव्ह करायचं आहे ऍक्टिव्हिटीमध्ये की हवेला वस्तुमान आणि वजन असतं. आणि हे कोणत्या पानावर तुम्ही केलेलं आहे, तर ते तुम्हाला पेज नंबर, दॅट साइन इज नंबर. ओके, then you have to write the page number of the activity page. This is the first. Okay, now here is your first activity page. Okay, here is the page number is 1. Page number is 1. Like this, when you do second activity on the same day, that is 18th July 2020, you have to write the name of the second experiment, that is air has atmospheric pressure, and this activity will be written on the second page. Therefore the page number is 2, and at that time you have to take a new page of these points. Okay, तुम्ही दुसऱ्या पानावर हे सगळे मुद्दे स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिहून काढा. पहिला मुद्दा लिहा, त्याचं नाव लिहा, दुसरा मुद्दा लिहा, त्यात ते मटेरियल्स लिहा. या पद्धतीने तुम्ही स्टेप बाय स्टेप लिहू शकता. आता तुम्हाला पहिला एक्सपेरिमेंट करायचा आहे. कशा पद्धतीने लिहिणार तुम्ही? यू हॅव टू राईट युअर रोल नंबर. ओके, हियर एक्सपेरिमेंट नंबर इज 1, डेट ऑफ experiment is 18th July, page number 1. This is the simple information. Now name of experiment, what you have to do here on this page? You have to prove that air has mass and weight. What you have to do? Air has mass and weight, full stop. Okay, now materials required. Which materials do you need to complete this experiment? You have to write all the names of the materials. Now where you get the materials, you will see here. Here is the experiment, that activity 4 in the video, that already you learned it. If you can't understood it, again watch the video and write down the points from the video like this.
Activity 4. Take 2 balloons of the same size.
Take 2 balloons. Okay,
Blow both the balloons equally.
blow it.
Tie the balloons on the 2 sides of a
Tie
stick.
the balloons on the 2 sides of the
Tie
stick.
a thread in the
Tie a
center
thread
of the
in the
stick
center of
and
the
hold
stick
it.
and hold it. These are the points from the activity. You have to write down here. First you have to write down the materials: 2 same size balloons, stick, thread, pin. These are the materials required. Now procedure, step by step. First is take 2 same size balloons. Okay, Now fill the balloon with the same amount of air. You have to fill up the balloons with air. Third, tie these two balloons on the stick at the ends. Okay, tie this stick by a thread at the middle. These are the points of all the activity. You have to write the procedure how to do this experiment. Okay, up to observe what happens. Now we have to observe what happens, and you have to write the observation in the observation point. Okay, now we will see the experiment and then we will write it. Here you have to draw the figure of the experiment. You can see in the book also, there is also figure for this experiment. You can draw that same figure also, or you can draw the figure from the video like this.
Try to balance the balloon by moving them along the stick. Now puncture one of the balloon so that air moves out.
This is the figure. You can draw it on the figure point.
You will find that the balloons are not balanced anymore. The balloon with air is heavier than the deflated balloon.
That shows that air has weight. Okay.
Activity shows that air has weight.
Now you have to do the conclusion. Okay, as one of the balloon having air inside it goes down towards the earth, it shows that air has mass and weight. You can write all the experiments in your homework. You have to write like this. Okay.